Hi guys, this is Harmeet from Divine Healing. This video is regarding the session I would be taking. It would be an online session, maybe through call or even through FaceTime or Zoom, whatever will be convenient for or will be needed according to the need of the client. So first of all, what would the session cover? There will be a one-on-one interaction with the client, and that will be sort of a talk therapy because when we talk to a person and whenever a person is able to speak out and express whatever they want to express, that at times become helps a lot to heal whatever the issue, yeah, the problem the client is going through. And as you talk to the clients, even we are able to understand their issue properly, and we are able to diagnose or find out what issue they are facing or what blockages they are facing, uh, which is possible by talking to them. And being an empath myself, I'm able to understand what the person might be going through the energies, by feeling the or seeing the energies of the person whom I'm talking to. Basically, even hearing to a person on a call, I can understand what the person might be going through and what issues they are facing. So at times, talking to a person, and I have seen many times a person doesn't open up even with their close people, but when they come to me, they open up about many things they might be hiding from the people around, and at times even from themselves. Maybe they are into awareness, or at times even they are not aware in awareness about it. But when they talk, and while talking, I even try to counsel the do counseling for the client, and I try to counsel the client with whatever issues the client might be facing. And after that, I'll be doing readings to find out more about what issues the client is facing. And during this reading sessions, I may use different modalities to get the guidance. As you know, I do tarot, Lenormand angel card reading. I do readings through angel board. I do pendulum readings and healings. I do chakra readings also. So this session would be a complete session where I'll be listening to the client, I'll be doing their counseling, I'll be doing their readings using different modalities, whatever is the would be the need, the regarding whatever would be needed regarding the issue client might be facing. And during the session, I may even I will share some tips and tricks with the client. So regarding the issues or anything in general that can help them to come over the issues they might be facing right now. So this is the way this session is different from my other uh, uh, reading sessions. And what is the benefit of it? See, when we have ample time to react with the, yeah, with the client. So with this conversation, we are able to find out what issues they might be going through. And as we are able to find out, so it becomes easy and to give a proper remedy or proper healing to the client, which will be beneficial and may give them better results for whatever issues they might be facing. And now you might be saying how it is different from my other reading sessions. Usually, my reading sessions are time based, and in one session, whatever modality the client pay me for and whatever time they pay me for, I do the readings and the session goes off. But in this session, there is ample of time. Still, the session won't go above 1 hour, and there is no restrictions on a number of question asked or a number of modalities used for reading. So and even some tips will be shared to um, bring changes into your life. And as a bonus, the person who will be taking the consultation, I'll be adding them to my private Facebook group, where each day I share many things over there, and even tips are shared from time to time to bring changes in their positive changes into their life. So this will be an additional bonus for my client, because it's a private group. I don't add people randomly over there. Proper analysis, the people whom I feel uh, need help or guidance are guided to that group, or my clients are guided to that group. So this is what is this is what I want to say about my session. And payments can be done through Paytm on my number. It's 983777092. And if you are a foreign client, you can PayPal me on my email address. That is harmeet.chopra, Harmeet spell HARMEET dot CHOPRA Chopra 76 at the rate gmail.com. Or even you can give a bank transfer. For bank transfers, you need to contact me on my number, and I'll be sending you the bank details. So thank you so much. And if you want this one-on-one session, it's recently for 3,000 Indian rupees, or 40 US dollars. So if you want the session, do contact me on my number, 98300 all the numbers and all the links and even the testimonies will be shared in the description of this video, or even in the comment box of this video. I'll be sharing all the links, so you can go through that. And if you are on my Insta account, you can go into my bio, and from there you can click the link of my page. From there also you can the post is available over there regarding this session, and all the testimonies are also shared on my page. So thank you so much. Stay tuned for the next video.